Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Philips Sonicare 9300 Diamond Clean Smart Toothbrush. I got this off of Amazon for $200. And the reason I got it is I had other model, which was $170 that went kaput on me this year. That model was only a year old, but I thought about calling Philips and telling them, hey, this toothbrush, it only lasted me a year. But I figured, you know what, this is only 200 bucks. It ain't that much money for a toothbrush. Why not? I'm gonna go ahead and get it. So this is the Philips Sonicare system toothbrush. One thing I love about the smart system, well, let's just take a look at the box, shall we? On the front, you have the Philips Sonicare 9300 Diamond Clean Smart Power Toothbrush. You got the toothbrush. You got the glass. You got the three brushes right here. On the back, you got a little diagram. That's the app you could get for it. You got a nice little glass. These are the different heads. You got the C3 Premium Plaque Control brush head. You got the G3 Premium Gum Care brush head. And you got the W3 Premium White. Yeah, it's an expensive toothbrush, but you pay for what you get. Welcome. Little instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. Empty box. It says important before first use. 1. Fully charged handle. May take at least 24 hours to reach a full charge. Charging indicator lights may take up to 15 minutes to indicate product is charging. Dang, guess I'm not gonna be brushing my teeth anytime soon. 2. Not capable with previous Diamond Clean charging accessories. Another dang there. God damn it. Good thing I threw that piece of junk away. 170 bucks for something that only lasts a year. I gotta tell you, man, this thing better last me too. Whoo, that's fancy. That's clean right there. That's clean. Clean. See, it even says clean on the thing. You got your 3 heads here. You got your glass here. Nice little glass that this thing can charge in. Fancy. Gucci. This is your charger. It charges your toothbrush. You pop the glass on there like this. With the charge, put that in there and the sucker charges right up. Chilling. Charging. Just straight chilling and charging. If you don't want to use the glass, you can just use the base. Like this. Just like that. Just like that. That's clean. And it came with a case. Came with a case. that was my unboxing of the Philips Smart Toothbrush. Badass. Thanks for watching.